saving money on things you're already buying, I mean, that's a slam dunk, isn't it? I mean, you can't ask for a cooler opportunity than something that can honestly save you money. And it costs $19.97 to belong to this great Save Club. But I'll tell you, my first 30, 40 days, I saved over $900 on tires, mattresses, on food, on SiriusXM, a couple of car washes that I go to here in Salt Lake, Utah. And that was just the first 30, 40 days. I have no doubt over the next 12 months, wow, I'm going to save a heck of a lot more than the $19.97 every 30 days. The reason why this club is different than, like, let's say Priceline, Groupon, Orbitz, Save Clubs have been around forever, but not where you can make money as an affiliate. Normally they get like William Shatner from Star Trek with Priceline, Kim Kardashian, famous sports figures or actors. They're the spokespersons. But well, guess what? You are now that person. You're an influencer. Right now, this company's already paid me $4,000 cash over the last month and a half. On top of that, I've saved $900. With my new funnel system, it's paid me about $1,100-$1,200 right now as I sit here on June 17th. Guys, the company's only 17 days old. Right now, we have more people signing up than affiliates. So if you have $60, put it right on your desk or put it in your hand. Now get another $20 bill, $80, $19.97 a month to be a member, $60 to be an affiliate. You got $80, you're going to get back 3 pennies. And right now, you belong to a very exciting, badass business. I'm telling you straight up, I think this is the easiest opportunity that I've done so far because I'm just inviting you to watch a short little video to save money. That's it. And if you don't want to do it, no big deal. High five, thanks for your time. And that's it. Delete my email, my message. If you're on some type of autoresponder, just unsubscribe. But right now, I usually do videos where people come to my videos and you just click the link that I invite you to. And within a minute or two, you know if you want to probably save money or just be an affiliate and make money too. This is all I do. I invite you to 2 links, not 1. Most people that are affiliates, they like to use 1 link. Well, I use the official link, joinsaveclub.org. I want people just to go there and check this out right here. This is the YouTube video produced by Save Club. You're going to meet our founder. His name's Charles. And he's going to chit-chat with you for about 5-6 minutes. And if you like what you hear, go ahead and fill out this information right below. Hit that orange button. You're going to get an email from Save Club. If you want to join, go ahead and join from the email. Instructions are in there. It's easy. Or if you don't want to join, hit delete. Or if you want just more information over the next week or 2 or even a month, okay, relax. Make a good decision. But I'm telling you this. Today's June 17th. Better not be January. I'm going to be freezing my ass off. Okay, it's June 17th. I'm in Salt Lake, Utah. It's 95 degrees outside. All right, I'm going to go outside, work on my tan, produce a car show. But I want you to go ahead and see what I do. I've been averaging about $1,000 a week that I've made cash. Okay, I've saved over $900 just with the membership. And with my new funnel system, it's put over $1,000 in my pocket, and it happens every month, and it gets bigger and bigger. So I got money coming in from Save Club, money coming in from the funnel system, and then I'm saving money too. All for $80 basically, $79.97. One hell of a deal, okay? So let me just recap. Check out your screen. There's the official link, joinsaveclub.org, and just check out the page that I just showed you. Okay, now let me bring up the funnel system. This is $25. You do not have to do it. I'm just telling you straight up, if you want to join a team and not a person, then you need the funnel system. It's working. It's kicking ass. I have all of my downline finally getting success because most people join underneath one person, and that one person, they're either too busy or they're just shy and they're not going to really help you because they might be new themselves. Well, right now, if you join the funnel system and me, you've got the expertise of probably the top 20 people in the company. We all belong to 2 different groups. And we're going to invite you, invite only, to these groups. So you get more pictures, videos that are done for you, banners, graphics, advice, emails, exactly what to do. It's like, what do I do? I'm stuck. I'm new. I don't know what to do. Well, guess what? We're going to help you out. We're going to help you out, okay? So get excited. Go to these links, joinsaveclub.org, saveclubfunnels.com. And right here, that's what it looks like. Boom. fill that out right there. And right here, let me just backtrack, and I'm going to show you what this funnel system kind of looks like. Now, when you go to saveclubfunnels.com, this page you can change any of the words here or the colors, even if you don't like boats in the background. I recommend leave it. It's working. Now, go to saveclubfunnels.com, put your email address in that white little rectangle box and hit the yellow button. Now, this is why I'm getting so many signups. I've had 16 signups in the last couple weeks as affiliates and members, and it's all from this video. Hit that big old button. It's 20 minutes. It over-explains Save Club. It shows you examples how to go in a restaurant, show your cell phone screen, save money, or online you can enter codes. There's little scanner things you can do. I mean, the Save Club is very easy, and it's going to have over millions and millions of opportunities to save money on products, services. This is worldwide, by the way. This isn't Groupon, Orbitz, or Priceline, where it focuses maybe in one country or just in a couple things like travel, vacations. Guys, you're going to save money on gasoline, diesel, auto repair, buying things. I saved on Purple Mattress, car washes, Purple Mattress. I saved hundreds and hundreds of bucks on a ton of tires for my vehicles. And this is already available in America. Now, every day I always get questions from, usually it's Asian areas. Okay, I got one guy in Portugal, a few people in the Philippines, let's see, Malaysia. They want to know, when are more deals going to be available in my country or city? Guys, just give it time. We're only 17 days into this, okay? I know that you're excited, but believe it or not, I have people that live all over the world right now where a lot of savings are not in their country or city, and they're signing up people like myself. You get one maniac like me to sign up underneath you, I'm going to sign up thousands of people. And with the comp plan, wouldn't you like to make a little bit of money from my efforts? I know you do. You just need 2 or 3 people like me to sign up, and you're going to be very happy. That's all I'm going to say, okay? I can't really guarantee how much you're going to make. Could make $1, could make $1,000,001. But I'll tell you, if you make this fun and just invite people to your links, that's all you got to do. This is all I do when I do video or email people, or if someone inboxes me on Facebook and says, hey, what's this save thing you're doing? Well, I go to the official link first. Go to joinsaveclub.org. Just check it out. Watch the video with Charles, our founder. And if you like what you see, I want you to go to saveclubfunnels.com, because I want you to see another 20-minute video that just gives you a different take of Save Club, but shows you in greater detail what happens as a member, boom, as an affiliate. Awesome. A for awesome. And I think that's how you spell affiliate, if I remember right. So go to both of these links. I like to talk about the pricing up front. It is $19.97 a month to be an affiliate. If you don't want to be as a member. If you don't want to save money, you just don't like it, you're busy, you don't have to pay, guys. There's no contracts. Just do $20 a month, basically, minus 3 pennies. Now, if you want to be an affiliate like myself and start earning like crazy, especially in the beginning of something that's probably going to sign up about 5 to 10 million people. Because do you realize Orbitz, Priceline, all of the biggest savings companies in the world, they all have 5 to 10 million members. Well, this is worldwide. Once we have China and the Asian markets, oh my gosh, you know how many people are over there just in that little section of the earth? Then you go down to Australia. We have savings in Brazil. America alone, we're kicking ass. We're signing up thousands a day, and there's only a handful of affiliates. So spend the $60, invest it. Let's get you the money back. First 3 people you sign up, you got your money back, because you make $20 to $32 depending on how many people you have on your team. So let's get you 3 people. Let's get your money back. All right, invest that $80. $20 to be a member, $60 to be an affiliate. If you have 25 more bucks, which I know you do, get the funnel system now. Don't stall. Don't sign up under one person that's not even going to give you the time of day. You need to sign up in a team. We have the biggest team in Save Club. By far, no one can dominate the team that I can invite you in. You're going to have 2 invite-only teams that you can join. You don't have to. You don't have to do the funnel system. But I'm telling you straight up, if you're in Save Club already and you're stalling, then let's get the $25 bill out and let's get you into the saveclubfunnels.com arena. You don't have to rejoin Save Club. Don't worry about it. Whoever you signed up, underneath, I'm sure they have their best intentions to be successful too. But a lot of people, they're just shy and they don't want to really contact their downline. I'd say 90% of Save Club affiliates are in that division. not me, not my team. We're here to do live Zooms. We invite you to the Zooms the company does. We invite you to the free marketing materials and the exciting stuff that we put out as well. Okay? And we're talking no more, not a penny more than that $60. You just have to be an affiliate so you get your own page where people can fill in their info to sign up. $60. $20 to be a member. That's $80. If you want to try the funnel, it's $25 more. So for $105, wow. I think you're going to like. I think you're going to likey. Okay? It's just as good as chicken noodle soup on a rainy night. Okay? Here's the links, joinsaveclub.org, saveclubfunnels.com, and you can see just here on the leaderboard, look, right now I'm currently number 7 in the world right now, and whatever I'm doing, it seems to work. I'm pretty excited with that. Statistics, you can see I've signed up about 16, let's see, 3, 4, 9, what is that, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I've signed up 49 million people. Okay. So look at all those people that have signed up right on this line. See where they upgrade? That's exciting. And all I do is do little videos like this. I have fun. I keep it simple. I think you're going to do the same. Once you belong to my team and my group, you'll see that the more fun you have and you just invite people to simple links, you're going to have all your own links. There's my two, joinsaveclub.org, and I really want you in that funnel system. Okay? So click both of those. Let me know what you think. There's my email, Cory@CoryDraper.com. You're not bugging me, guys. Email me 3 in the morning or 3 in the afternoon. I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Because if you have questions, it means you're taking this serious. And I don't want you stuck. And I want you to belong to a team. That way you have a little bit of support, a little high five. Take a break. Sometimes you get frustrated and you run out of ideas. Well, you're not going to. Not in our team. No way. We have too many successful people kicking ass. And guess what? If you sign up in my team directly, if you make money, so do I. That's how it works. So I want you to kick butt so I can make more money to buy Hot Wheels and crazy kiss lamps and stuff to hang on my walls. All right, guys. My 12 minutes, man, has been fun chatting with you. Go ahead, seriously, get a hold of me if I can help you. And on top of that, looking at that funnel system. I'm excited for you to look into that, okay? And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep those questions coming in. All right, guys, have a good day. We'll talk to you soon.